Hello guys, welcome back to Zimsteg Medium. Looking at today's stories, Zimbabwean musician and husband to philanthropist Olinda Chapel has dismissed the rumors of her death. In a recent social media post, a person impersonating Olinda Chapel's social media account announced her death, highlighting that it was a cardiac arrest. The post reads, it is with the great sadness that we announce the passing away of Olinda this morning. She suffered a cardiac arrest and it was too late by the time they arrived at the hospital. We would like to thank the Oxford University Hospital for all they did to keep her alive. Imagine a normal person having the guts to lie about someone's death. Who does that? Her husband, Astana, also revealed that the account has been hacked. It looks like that account has been hacked and that is a lie. But once again, I fail to understand people. He has revealed that they are trying to fix the account as it has been compromised and everything that it publishes is fake. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimsteg Media.